Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your girl, Riquel Angela, and I am finally back with another YouTube video. And hello to all of my new subscribers, and welcome back to my OGs. And if you're new here, hey, don't be afraid to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with somebody. Y'all, I want to get into my hair real quick. That is why I am here. I'm here to show you this hair. I just did my locks. I'm in love. I got this hair from Nubia's crown, and I'm going to show you guys. This is the pack of hair. It is ombre, and I am loving it. I am loving this hair. I've done faux locks before a couple of times. I had like the little curly ends a couple years back, and then last year in 2021 I did locks as well when I went to the Virgin Islands. Comparing hair, I'm actually really liking this hair, not only because it's ombre. Like, how often can you really see or find ombre colored hair? It's really hard to find that, but Nubia's crown sent me this hair, and I'm gonna take it out the pack so that you guys can really kind of get a feel of it. I was sent 5 packs of hair. I managed to get 4 in there, but I might just pull a couple of locks out of here and just kind of place them into some parts of my hair. So the way that I did my hair, real quick before I show you the hair, is I did my hair in 2 rows of single locks, and then in the back it's crocheted in. I've never done my hair with locks crocheted in the back before, but I've done it on my best friend's hair, and I did it to my mom, and I was like, you know what, let me try it that way. And it did make my process super quick. You know, it took me a lot longer than what I normally do, but that's just because I was being lazy. But the overall process of actually doing my hair wasn't as long and tedious as just doing a bunch of single locks and just like tying it. So I have about 24, 26 locks in the front of my hair. I will show you guys how I did this throughout this video, but let me show you Nubia's crown. So this is the hair, y'all. I'm gonna try to zoom in so y'all can see. It's an ombre style, so it's darker at the roots, and then it comes all the way down and it starts turning a little brown, and then you get like that honey blonde type of look down here at the bottom. And the hair is super soft, it's super lightweight. I didn't really have any issues, honestly, putting this in my hair. With me using like 4 packs, and I kind of did take like 3 locks out of this pack, so I was basically using like, I'm gonna say like 4.5, and it's not that heavy. And I love that I was able to, you know, do the front single, so that way I can pull it up and just do me. I have a link in the description box for you all, so go ahead and check out this video. This is their classic locks. Hey y'all, so I went ahead and blew out my hair. Look at all this hair. So I blew out my hair, but I wanted to show you guys a quick shot of the locks, how the locks look, like the ombre of it. It was so pretty. I was so excited. So I went ahead and split my hair into 2 sections, and on that first section I'm just making like a small medium-sized section in the front, because that's where I'm going to put my plaits. So once I finished the section in the front on both sides, I still had the back split into 2 sections, and that's where I was going to do my cornrows. And how I did my cornrows was I just did like you connect the cornrow into each braid method, so that way I didn't have a lot of leave out of plaits hanging in the back and trying to find where to crochet them in. So I did the first section, and I'm like, whew. And then I did the other side, and once I completed the other side, I just interconnect that last little braid in the back of my hair, and that was the foundation. And then I just went ahead and I plaited my hair in the front. I put them in like the small sections, because those are going to be my individual locks. Now it's time to crochet your hair. Okay, you're gonna need your crochet needle. It's like $1, $2 at the hair store, and you're going to use that to interlock your faux locks into your braids. So I'm just gonna quickly show y'all a little bit of the back. It has, at the top of the crochet locks, it has the little loop, and I just like put the tool in my hair, took the loop, pulled it through the braid, and then I interlocked the lock. I'm gonna show you guys again. Y'all, this is probably the quickest and easiest step out of it, like out of all of this. Like, I just went in, y'all, on the back of my head. I was like, boom, bam, I'm done. And I might even add a few more locks in the back. So to start this process, you're going to pull your crochet tool through the root of your hair, and you're going to take that loop on the lock and hook it. And then you're going to put the latch over the hook, pull the lock through, and then release the hook. And then now you're going to pull the end of the lock through that loop, so that way it ties basically at the top of your hair. Now you're going to need some Waterwave from Freetress. That's what I was using to wrap the lock with my braid. And so you're just going to cut half of that hair, and then you're going to like untangle it, spread it out a little bit, because you're going to use it to wrap around. And so make sure you hold your hair and the lock together, leave a little bit of the braid and hold all that together so it holds with the hair, and start twisting it around at the root. So basically in one hand I had the lock, I had my twist or my plait, and then I also had a little bit of that Waterwave hair all together, and I was holding it and wrapping it with my other hand. And so you just wrap, 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 wrap. Then you're going to roll it in between your hands. And then you're going to repeat the steps. Pull the latch hook through the root of your hair, hook it to the lock, pull the lock through, and then tie the lock at the top of your root of your hair. Take your Freetress and wrap all of that together. And make sure you're doing it tight, because you don't want it to unravel. So just do it really tight and just keep wrapping at the end, roll it in between your hands, and you're good. And y'all, just like that, after probably 2 days, maybe 2 nights, and a couple of TV shows, I finally finished my hair. I finally finished, y'all. Okay, ladies, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Go ahead and check out Nubia's crown. You will not be disappointed. I definitely would recommend ombre if that's something that you wanted to try. I'm used to just doing a lot of, when it comes to my braids or most of my protective styles, I usually do black. That's just like my go-to color. But I was like, you know what? I want to have a little fun. I wanted to, you know, have a little bit of color going on. So definitely check them out. The link is in the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you guys so much. I will be back with another video very soon. And I appreciate all the love. And don't forget to follow me on my social media handles.